Hey there, Tyler. It looks like you got a bent part here that you're trying to fold in the middle. Um, so I'm not really sure exactly what your actual end intent is. That'd be kind of helpful. Anyway, so looks like you got this sketch here, and you were wondering why you can't fold along this line with this guy. So the reason is it's a hidden line, not a visible line. So if you actually come in here and change this to a solid, and then you fold, you still can't fold it. Reason is you got to trim to here and there, and then you can fold. So it has to be like self-defined on the edges, I believe. So that way you can apply, and it flips up. So and then you were also wondering why you can't change this one on that direction. Um, it is because you already set it. So the easiest way, back out here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this fold. Now it's going to say pink because it's off on the other plane, so we don't really care about that. Or that. All right, so if we go into here, you have that projected and this here. Um, so if we project that line and go to there, so we just have a simple setup, and we select this line. And see how it's going this way? It's basically going to keep this flat and then flip this up. So instead, we're going to flip that up. And you can go up or down and then apply. So then it flips that up. So then we can come down here, turn the visibility back on, use the same sketch, and come to the other side. So again, flip on either side, up or down, apply, and there you go. So that way you only have using one sketch and it's flipping like that. Not really sure if that's your final intent or what you're trying to do, but that basically eliminates the need for this other stuff and this wonky angle here, so that when you go to your flat pattern, it'll still get you to here. So I hope that helps you out.